Hi everyone, welcome back to the Pocket Yogi. In today's episode of the Pocket Fundamentals, we are working with a twist called Ardha Matsyendrasana, also known as Lord of the Fishes pose. The twist involved here in this pose really energizes your spine and stimulates your digestive organs. It also opens your neck and shoulders and helps improving flexibility, especially in your hips and spine. So roll out your mat, let's twist. Let's begin by sitting on the mat with your legs straight out in front of you. Roll your shoulders back so you're not hunched over. Bend the right leg over the left leg and place your right foot on the outside of the left knee, toes of your right foot pointing forward. Now bend the left leg, bringing the left foot near your right hip. If you lost me in the first half of my right foot on the outside of the left, what now? Feel free to pause and rewind back a few seconds to get it right. Okay, moving on. We're working our fundamentals from the ground up. Now that we have our feet grounded and aligned, let's position these jazz hands before we get into the pose. Remember, we're taking this nice and easy, so try as much as you can. Place your right hand back near your right hip. Raise your left hand, lengthen your spine, and place the outer elbow of that arm just outside of your right knee. Keep your palms up. Inhale, lengthen that spine again. Exhale, gentle twist to the right, pushing your right knee back with your left arm and look over your right shoulder. Let's stay here for a few breaths and get comfortable in this posture. Remember, only do as much as your body allows you to at this point in time. But if you can, try to get into a deeper twist with every exhalation. And if you're quite comfortable here and ordered extra pretzel on the menu today, inhale, come back a bit and try to hold your right foot with your left hand. This opens your chest further and creates more space for a deeper twist. Exhale, twist your body to the right and continue looking over your right shoulder. When you're ready, inhale, release the bind and come back to the center. That was a good twist. Felt like I massaged all my inner organs with this one. Okay, now let's do this on the other side. Legs out straight in front of you. Now bend the left leg over the right leg. Place your left foot on the outside of the right knee, toes of your left foot pointing forward. Bend the right leg, bringing the right foot near your left hip. Place your left hand back near your left hip. Raise your right hand, lengthen your spine and place the outer elbow of this arm outside of your left knee. Keep your palms up. Inhale, lengthen that spine again. Exhale, gentle twist to the left, pushing your left knee back with your right arm, looking over your left shoulder. Just smile and wave, boys. Just smile and wave. And if you can, hold your left foot with your right hand. And if you cannot, that's absolutely alright. Just stay here, twist and relax. Again, try to get deeper into the twist with every exhalation. To release, inhale, unbind with your right hand and come back to the center. Well, that's Ardha Matsyendrasana for you. Do this or a variation of this pose every day to bring more vitality and flexibility to that spine. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the Pocket Yogi. I'll see you until the next video. Bye!